Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, fog lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.